How do I fix PlayStation trophy sync error messages? Imagine earning a trophy after a challenging game, only to see a message that it did not sync properly. Frustrating, isn't it? Trophy synchronization issues can occur for several reasons, but understanding how to troubleshoot them can help restore your gaming experience smoothly. First, ensure your PlayStation 525GB console is connected to the internet with a stable network connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent trophies from syncing correctly. You can test your connection by navigating to the network settings menu and selecting the option to test internet connection. If the connection is unstable, consider restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Next, verify that your PlayStation Network account is active and logged in properly. Sometimes, signing out and signing back in can resolve temporary authentication issues. To do this, go to the Account Management section, select Sign Out, then log back in with your credentials. Make sure your account has no restrictions or issues that could interfere with trophy syncing. Another common step involves checking for system software updates. Outdated firmware can cause synchronization problems. Navigate to the system settings, select System Software Update, and install any available updates. Keeping your console current ensures compatibility with the latest features and bug fixes. It is also beneficial to manually refresh trophy data. To do this, go to the Trophies menu, select the option to sync trophies now, or restart the console entirely. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches affecting trophy data. If the problem persists, consider rebuilding the database. This process scans the storage for errors and reorganizes data, which can resolve underlying issues causing sync errors. To do this, turn off the console completely, then start it in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect a controller via USB, select the option to rebuild the database, and follow the prompts. In some cases, trophy sync errors are linked to server issues on Sony's end. Checking the PlayStation Network service status can reveal if there are ongoing outages or maintenance activities affecting trophy data. If so, patience is key until the servers are fully operational again. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contacting PlayStation support may be necessary. They can provide further assistance and check if there are account-specific problems affecting trophy synchronization. By following these detailed steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most trophy sync error messages, ensuring your gaming achievements are accurately reflected and celebrated.